Hello, and here is a view of my blog at the end of term. Super excited to show you where I've come from the beginning of the term. I really had a lot of learning over the course of the term, and really had a lot of fun with it. So here is zero waste balance. So looking at sort of that zero waste world and sustainability and trying to bring some balance and some positivity, and just highlighting local businesses and people that are doing things in that space, and then doing just some other general interest things. So the most recent one I did, as you can see here, is on Wilfrid Laurier University, which is actually where I went to school, and I found out they were doing all kinds of really cool things with sustainability. I attended an event there. I'll show you that in a minute. But here's a bit of down the other ones that I've done. I did one on the global climate strike last week. And then if we take a look at some of the other ones, another one that I'm proud of is Truth Beauty. That's a company actually that's here in Waterloo. But I went to see a documentary. Called Toxic Beauty, which talked about a lot of things in the cosmetic industry and wellness and those kind of things that are actually hurting us. So I put a little movie clip in there, which I was kind of proud of. And then I interviewed the person from Truth Beauty Company, who specializes in bringing products that are not harmful. So that was kind of cool, and I did put a video in there, so I thought that was pretty cool. Another video I used was in the climate strike one. And I put a little video of Greta. I figured maybe not everybody knew it, and just kind of did like a little highlight of why people are on strike for climate change. But this is the one from Laurier. Sorry, I'm kind of scrolling all over the place. So there's me. So I try to get my format is I try to get a picture of me, which is I've really had to sort of push myself out of my comfort zone, but me either with someone from the company or just me on my own. And then I try to get an interview with someone there, or I just kind of do my own observations. So this was a bunch of things that Laurier is doing in terms of being more zero waste. I talk to people about what they're proud of. I put links in back to the company and to the company and to their pages. And then, so I usually do the blog post, and then a few days later, I do some social media. So I do predominantly Twitter and Instagram. I send out an email to the company or someone else that's involved with it, if there's someone involved, just sending them a copy of my blog, and then I tag them on social media a few days later when I send it out on social media. And then I found it worked really well to sort of amplify my audience, because then they tend to share it with their audience, and it all goes pretty well from that. So that's where I'm at. Again, super proud and really excited to have some fellow students that follow me, and we follow each other on Twitter, and we kind of have a lot of fun with it. So it's been a great time. So there's my blog. Thanks. Bye.